Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go the question. Here we have a quadratic equation, that is x square positive bx positive c equals to 0. In the given equation, b and c are constants. If negative b positive square root of b square into 4c equals to 18 and negative b negative square root of b square into 4c equals to 10, what is one possible value of x? Okay, now let me consider a quadratic equation in standard form, that is ax square positive bx positive c equals to 0. Okay, if I want to solve this quadratic equation now for the values of the variable x, I have quadratic formula, that is x equals to negative b positive or negative square root of b square negative 4ac divided by 2a. I can use this formula to get the two values of x in the quadratic equation over here. Okay, now let's compare the quadratic equation in standard form we have over here and the given quadratic equation. Actually, a is the coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x square in the given quadratic equation? We don't have any number in front of x square, so we can assume there is 1 in front of x square. That is, the coefficient of x square is 1. So comparing this and this, we have 1 at the place of a. That is the coefficient of x square. A equals to 1. And at the place of b, we have the same b over here in the given quadratic equation. At the place of c, we have the same c in the given quadratic equation. So the only change what we can do in this quadratic formula is that we can plug in this 1 for a over here and here to get the values of the variable x in the given quadratic equation. Okay, now let me plug in a equals to 1 into the quadratic formula to get the two values of x for the given quadratic equation. Okay, then we get x equals to negative b positive or negative square root of b square negative 4 times for a we can plug in 1, 4 times 1 times c divided by 2 times a, that is 2 times 1. Okay, let me continue over here. We get x equals to negative b positive or negative square root of b square negative. So 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times c is 4c. And in denominator we have 2 times 1 is we have 2. Now we can split up this stuff into two parts. That is, one time we can write for positive sign over here and other time we can write for the negative sign we have over here. Then we'll have two values for x. Okay, the first value of x is negative b, and in this positive or negative sign we have to consider positive sign square root of b square negative 4c divided by 2, and to get the second value of x we have to consider the negative sign over here. Then we get negative b negative square root of b square negative 4c divided by 2, and here x equals to, for this stuff we have the value, that is negative b positive square root of b square negative 4c, we have the value 18 that's given in the question itself. So we can plug in this 18 for this stuff over here, then we get 18 over 2 and x equals to, and for this one we have the value that is 10, so we can plug in 10 for this stuff, then we get x equals to 10 over 2. So here x equals to, when I divide 18 by 2 I'm getting 9, here x equals to, when I divide 10 by 2 I'm getting 5. Okay, the value of x in the given quadratic equation is 9 or 5. Our target is one possible value of x. So the one possible value of x is 9 or 5.